Why it is important to maintain peace in the society. It is important to maintain peace because it creates a healthy and prosperous society. Define communication. Communication means sending and receiving information. Identify the means of communication. Language, radio, newspaper, internet, telephone, laptop, computer, cell phone. Why is radio still an effective means of communication? Information can be transmitted to remote areas through radio. It is an important means for getting news. List the advantages of the Internet. Vast network quickest communication fastest way to get information online shopping, e-learning online business online job,